What's good, YouTube? It's Charlie Mack, the owner of icedoutforever.
Next up, we got.
I'm gonna show y'all how I started my clothing brand with $0. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I started my brand in 2020 with $0. I was using Printify, which basically is the website where you can put your logo on a t-shirt, hoodie, whatever you want, and they will send it to your customers all for you. You just have to pay for the product and the shipping. And I started off that way. It was cool, but you don't have no customization really for real. Like, it's just basic tees on DTG. If you really want like real customization, you gotta go to a manufacturer, which is my next step. I feel like Printify is a good start. No hate on Printify, but if you want the quality difference, you should go manufacturer warehouse. The only reason I used it because of the lack of knowledge, but that's why y'all got my channel for. Make sure y'all subscribe. I got videos like this coming out all the time. Now y'all ask how y'all work with a manufacturer for $0. This is how you do it with a pre-order method. Like I said in my last video, all you gotta do is get your sample and promote your sample, promote it on TikTok, promote it on Instagram, promote it on everything. The key thing is to build a relationship with your manufacturer so you can get a sample for $0. If you're not doing that, you will be paying upwards $60 to $300 for a sample, which is not good. I'm not gonna lie, it's not good. Okay, so after you promote it, make sure you have your website closed. It's very important. I said this in like all my videos. Make sure your website is closed so you can build up the email list, build up the SMS marketing. If y'all want a video on that, comment down below, but build up those. And what that's gonna do is when you drop, you can send an email or text to the customer so they're more likely to buy. Oh yeah, and another thing, make sure you don't have a weak product. That's like key point. That's the key point. Like, you can't have no weak product. Make sure your design is fire. So now you drop and you getting orders in. With them orders, with that money, use that to pay for your bulk order, and the rest is profit. Your favorite brands is doing this, Spider, V-Long, all that. All your favorite brands is doing this. I think even Yeezy doing this. If y'all want a video on why pre-order is better than getting in stock, let me know down below, and boom, that's the best method out. I can't lie. If y'all want more videos like this, make sure y'all subscribe, and thank y'all for 300 subs. We got that in like a week, and the Discord is at 100 and y'all active in it. Make sure y'all join the Discord too. Make sure y'all join. We going crazy up in there. Link down below, all the links down below, clothing brand page, main page, everything. So make sure y'all like up this video, subscribe, y'all new. Get on.
Okay, bye.